Maki Chiropractic Clinic. Are you looking for a trusted chiropractor? Are you seeking a non-invasive pain relief treatment? Thousands of patients from Blaine, Minnesota and neighboring cities have placed their trust in the professionals at the Maki Chiropractic Clinic. Dr. Maki specializes in Thompson, diversified, myofascial and soft tissue release treatment techniques and services. Dr. Maki is a caring chiropractor, and I trust him completely with my adjustments as well as adjustments for my baby, a patient shares. Book a free consultation at makichiro.com to find the right chiropractic therapy for your body.